Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hair Max plus Minoxidil 5%. We'll cover the proper application of Minoxidil, followed by the correct usage of your Hair Max laser device. Understanding the synergy between these two powerful treatments is key to maximizing your hair regrowth journey. We'll also share essential tips for achieving the best possible outcomes, ensuring you feel confident in your routine. Applying Minoxidil 5% correctly is crucial for its effectiveness. First, make sure your scalp is clean and completely dry. Using the provided dropper, apply exactly 1 milliliter of the solution directly to the areas of your scalp experiencing thinning. Gently massage it in with your fingertips to ensure even coverage. Remember to do this twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening, and always wash your hands thoroughly afterwards. Consistency is vital for visible results. Now, let's integrate your Hair Max laser device. Begin with clean, dry hair and scalp. Turn on your device and slowly glide it over your scalp, ensuring the laser light reaches all areas of concern. Most devices recommend a treatment time of 8 to 15 minutes, 3 times per week, on non-consecutive days. For example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Consistency with your Hair Max sessions is just as important as with Minoxidil for stimulating hair follicles effectively. Combining Minoxidil 5% with your Hair Max device creates a powerful synergy, targeting hair loss from multiple angles. Remember, patience is key. Significant results usually become noticeable after 3 to 6 months of consistent use. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, to further support your hair's vitality. For sustained benefits, it's important to continue both treatments long-term. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have any questions about your hair regrowth journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.